Hmm?
Andy Eigenman and family thinking of staying in Indonesia for good with the family. Paboritong-paborito nila ang Indonesia. Like Siargao daw ito at talagang napakaganda kaya nagbigay ng update si Andy sa bahay nila sa Indonesia at kung ano ang mga activity nila ni Philmar kasama ng mga bata. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Nagbigay update nga si Andy sa sitwasyon nila sa island sa Indonesia na kung saan sarap na sarap sila. Magandang-maganda ang buhay nila doon at napakapayapa. Ang sabi nga nila, our island home for a week. We've been living in our actual dreams, being in the Mentawais in Indonesia. One of our top destinations. This is true Aloyta state of mind, being surrounded by crystal clear waters and pristine beaches, reminiscent of the Siargao I love to hear about. Super stoked be here at Aloyta Resort.
Hmm?
A glimpse of our days have been looking at Aloyta Resort. Grateful for this much needed quality time with my family. Aloyta state of mind. Marami nga ang napakomento sa sarap buhay ni Andy at Philmar sa isla ng Indonesia kung saan kasama nila ang mga bata at well-deserved nila ang ganitong peace. Ang sabi nga ng isang commenter, I love this place. We stayed here when we first visited Mentawai. Andy, my spot just at the back of the resort. You just have to walk 5 minutes. It's a good left. Perfect sa'yo. At sumagot dito si Andy, been going there. Hehe, nice waves. Lately, grabe. At napakarami pa rin talagang commenters ng kanilang pictures and videos. Sabi dito, pinapakita na tuloy ni Andy kung gaano sila kasaya ni Philmar. Mula naman kay Jamie, Aloyta is a Finnish word means get started or to begin something. Such a meaningful word. At mula naman kay Sakura, enjoy your vacation and have fun. Mula naman kay Jenny, I'm Pinay and my husband is Indonesian from Lombok. And they have nice waves there. Mentawai is also one of his favorite spots. Sobrang tawang-tawa naman si Andy sa kanyang anak na si Koa habang umiinom sila ng buko juice. At agad nga sinabi nitong si Koa na walang kaabog-abog, this is the life ng paulit-ulit. Kaya naman si Andy hindi napigilan ang pagtawa.
Oh, this is the life.
Mula naman kay Avan, Heist, ganito ang gusto kong life. Oo, kainggit talaga. Yung nature, lagi pagising mo, simple life, malinis ang hangin. Mula naman kay Vlogs Gel, Happy Islanders Family. Panoorin talaga kita ngayon Sunday, idol ko. Marami pa rin talaga ang hanga sa pundasyon ng pamilya ni Andy at ni Filmar. Kapag talaga malakas ang pundasyon ng pamilya, kahit anong pagsubok hindi kayang tibagin. Happy family. Mula naman kay Miss Pa, happy family. Sana walang mga ahas sa paligid para may forever. Kasi ang ganda ng childhood memories ng mga bata. Mula naman kay Dana, isang commenter, a lot of people seem to think that they know everything about a person, their family, their relationship, based on what they see on socials. Most of them are just envious of what you have. You have the life, the love and family that you chose for yourself.